Today we're doing a woodland curl Christmas wreath with ribbons and bulbs. First thing we're going to do is tie our pipe cleaners around our wreath frame. I'm using a 14-inch wreath frame. It has 6 sections, and we're starting by putting one pipe cleaner on the outer 2 rungs of the wreath frame, one pipe cleaner on the inner 2 rungs of the wreath frame, and securing it by twisting it about 3 times, and one more pipe cleaner on the outer 2 rungs of the wreath frame. And that finishes one section. We're going to do this the whole way around the wreath frame. So and there you have it. There's a total of 18 pipe cleaners on the wreath frame. So next we're going to be cutting our mesh. I have a template here that's 10 by 10. I'm using this pretty kind of candy cane mesh. It's like red and white striped. And so we're going to take our 10 by 10 template piece of cardboard, and we're going to simply overlap the mesh onto the cardboard, and that will give us sections of 10 by 20 lengths of mesh for our woodland curls. And we're going to do 18 of them. Next, we're going to be rolling our woodland curls. We're simply going to roll on one end and make a loop, roll on the other end and make a loop, and then pinch it together so that both sides meet in the middle, and that makes your woodland curl. We're going to start by tying one woodland curl on the outer 2 rungs of the wreath frame. Do it one more time for the inner 2 rungs of the wreath frame. Simply make a loop on one end and clip it. Make a loop on the other end, and then pinch it together in the middle till they meet on both sides, and that is your woodland curl. This one will go on the inner 2 rungs of your wreath frame. And one more will complete one section of your wreath frame. We'll have 5 more sections to go. Simply roll it on one end and make a loop, flip it, roll it on the other end and make a loop, and then pinch it together in the middle to make your woodland curl. And this goes on the outer 2 rungs, using a pipe cleaner and securing it, twisting it about 3 times, and that makes one section. next thing we're going to do is cut our ribbon to go on each of the woodland curls. We're cutting them 12 inches long, and I have this polka dot color. I have this polka dot color. I have this candy cane striped color. I have red. And I have burlap. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it over in half and cut triangles in the end to make pretty little ends to our ribbon and make them look more finished. Next, we're going to fold our ribbons in half. What we're going to do is we're going to do the plain red ribbon with the burlap ribbon. And we're going to fold it in half, pinch it in the middle, and make a V, and then tie it onto the pipe cleaner. The outer two rungs of our woodland curls are going to go toward the outside, and the inner two rungs of the woodland curls are going to go to the inside, point to the inside. So fold it in half, pinch it in the middle, and make a V, and this one will go to the inside. And we're going to do that all the way around our wreath. And there we have all of our ribbons tied on it, making it very full and pretty and bright. Next, we're going to put ornaments on it. We're going to turn the ornaments upside down, feed the pipe cleaners through the top of the ornaments, and then tuck the rest of the pipe cleaner down below to the wreath frame. Just simply feeding one pipe cleaner both directions and then tying it secure to the bottom of the wreath frame to hide it. And that one I lost off of the bottom, so I had to reattach it. So secure it to the wreath frame underneath. And we're going to do that on each one of our pipe cleaners until we are all done. And there you have it with all the bulbs on it. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to put this sign in the middle of my wreath. And I just attached it with pipe cleaners in the middle of my wreath to finish it off.